Hello, Fox and Freaks. Today we're making more videos. So you probably know me for these 10 videos. One. Fuck. You probably know me for these 10 videos. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Most of those videos are videos on chicken nuggets. I just make these videos to grow my channel. I don't really. And the lowest parts that are different is this game right here, Hyper Sandbox. I actually don't know what Hyper Sandbox is completely. I just know the broad definition of it and the general community basis for it. Also, some of my Hyper Sandbox content has been pushed a little bit more. Just go on here. Okay, let's make this more easy for me. Like that, and you also probably know me for these other videos, I'd say. You know, the videos that are higher viewed than Hyper Sandbox. I think any video that's Hyper Sandbox has like 150 views at least. Or you might know me for Ultimate Sandbox clips. Because that was the game I used to play. Let me show you how Hyper Sandbox, I mean Ultimate Sandbox now. So basically what they did to the game was, this usually wasn't this short. Well, okay, let's read this from bottom to top. Locationalization might not work here or there. We'll fix. Overwriting might corrupt them. Save files from the last version are working properly. Packs are disabled. Same with mechanical props. Default with Carl and basic old weapons. Shop is not working at the moment. All players are default card. Yeah, okay. Gameplay is rolled back to 2019 build mode only. All other game modes are disabled temporarily. Game is undergoing complete rewrite, utilizing new networking engine, more forwards like less bugs. Fix RPG not pushing characters around. Fix health regeneration not working. Fix card can't drive properly. Fix money pop up. Fix car audio being too loud. Fix chat pop up not working properly. So, here we are. I guess the equivalent of a rewrite is this game dying because I assumed everyone switched to a certain game that starts with a G and ends with M. Now, let's see if there's any servers. They used to have more, but they're gone now. I have never played the first version of. When was Ultimate Sandbox again? Uh, okay. I don't like Google Gemini and the Whisper type nigga. Uh, Thank you, but I want the real answer to that. It's actually really funny how the time that Ultimate Sandbox died was around the time I was getting better at Hyper Sandbox. Uh, I guess they're migrating to Roblox. Bye.